everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica. Today I have my update for Pan of Dinosaurs. This is a project in the PANtastic Ladies Facebook group that was created by Taru. She is cruelty-free panner. She's going to be listed down below along with everyone else that has joined in for this project. It started on August 8th of last year and goes to April 8th of this year. And I'm loving this project. I really am. I enjoyed this so much, bringing in like my son's toy dinosaurs to show you every time I brought in a new prompt, and he enjoyed it as well. He loved having his little dinosaurs showing on YouTube, and the ones that he didn't have, and I was able to show you through his dinosaur books. It just, I don't know, there's something that just, he just absolutely loved it, and it makes me happy to make my kids happy with something so simple as, you know, sharing his toys or his books or something like that. So I'm very appreciative of this project, and I'm appreciative of Taru for creating it for the PANtastic Ladies and giving my son a nice way to enjoy being a part of Mommy's channel without actually being a part of Mommy's channel. You know what I'm saying. All right. I really would have loved to bring in some of his other favorite dinosaurs and created my own prompts to add in, but we're getting far enough along in this project that it's really not smart for me to just bring in a whole bunch more stuff, because I have so many projects going on, so many products I'm working on, and yeah, I don't think I would be successful with things that I brought in just because of the sheer volume of projects that I'm working on right now. But that being said, let's get into the actual products in this one. I do have one empty. I'm not surprised by this, and if you guys have been following along, you're probably not surprised by this either. This is for Parasaurolophus. That is something that, let me see what it's like really small. It's something with weird shaped packaging. This is the YSL Libre Perfume. Parasaurolophus has a funny looking head, and I thought, you know, the head of this perfume is kind of goofy looking, and it's got that weird cutout right there. So that was for my Parasaurolophus. I did like this perfume. It was enjoyable, but it is not something I would repurchase. This I got in, I don't remember if I got it through BuzzAgent or Octoly, but I definitely did get it through PR, and it was enjoyable, but it's not something I would ever consider a signature scent. It's might be just a hair too bright for my liking, not in a bad way, but just so that it's not really like a me fragrance. But it was nice. It was definitely a nice fragrance, but not something I would get again. For everything else, because I've gone through all of the prompts, everything else is still in, still going, and I'm going to show you what is left in. That Parasaurolophus actually has brought me up to 6 dinosaurs done, 6 products done, and I actually did finish them all. No goals on any of those except to finish. This one is for Ankylosaurus. It is something that protects you. This one is probably not going to get done. This is the Neostrata Sheer Hydration with Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF. This is something, if I had been thinking about it, and realized that I would have this in this project for the majority of the winter and not like the sunny months when I'm actually outside. Yeah, I wasn't thinking. I don't go out much because I homeschool my kids, and so if I'm not going outside, I don't put an SPF on, because like the walls do a pretty good job of blocking the sun, and I don't need to put an extra SPF on, and I don't like to waste it if I don't really need it. If I'm going somewhere, going out, or I know I'm going to be outside, I absolutely put it on, but it doesn't happen much this time of year. It's cold and wet, and I don't want to be out there. I have a feeling this is still going to be here come April 8th, and then when you know, it's starting to get warmer. It's just going to be starting to get warm here in April. I'll be out in my garden every day. I will be slathering on the SPF, and that's when this is going to get used. But this project's going to be over by then, so I'm kind of disappointed in my lack of foresight on that product, but it is what it is. I can't really change that now. For Archaeopteryx, it's something that started a new trend, Bath & Body Works. Cotton Blossom was one of those that started the trend for me. Cucumber Melon was one, but I don't happen to have that in my collection. This one is legit Cotton Blossom. I've had this for a long time. Look at the old packaging on it. It was new, like up into the neck when I brought it in, and now I am down to here. I might actually have this done by the finale because it's body spray and I go through those fairly quickly, but we're just going to see how it goes. I'm holding out hope that I can actually finish that by finale. Let's see, moving on to Dilophosaurus, and that is something that is misunderstood. This is the Mark Anthony Dreamwaves Beach Spray. I used it. I've used it. It is down to here. It was brand new when I brought it in, and the reason I say this is misunderstood is people were buying beach sprays, like the wave sprays, back when they were popular years ago, thinking that their stick straight hair was going to get beachy waves with just a spray like this. And it doesn't work like that. It just doesn't work like that. You have to have some texture to work with in order to make that happen. And I don't think these really do a whole lot. Anyway, I use it to like refresh or whatever, but it's not going to give me beachy waves. I have beachy waves naturally, so yeah. It's going to be done by the next update. I'm sure of it. Moving on to Diplodocus, something long. That is my e.l.f. matte lip color. This is in Nearly Nude. And I'm going to take the cap off and show you. It is actually separated from the base, so I don't want to roll it all up. It was brand new when I brought it in. I might have like swatched it once. It was longer than this cap. And now when I roll it up, it is up to this line right here. So like it was up this high and now about down to here. I have been using this like crazy. It is in my current monthly makeup basket. I don't know if I can have it done by the next update, but I am going to have massive, massive usage on it because it is something that I'm using almost daily now. And when I really hyper focus on a product like that, I usually make really good progress. So I think if it's not done, it's going to be very, very close by the next update. Definitely done by the finale. All right, Mosasaurus, something monstrous. Of course, I take that as big, large, whatever. This is my second one of these Epsom salts that I've put in a project, in this particular project, because I had it in for Archaeopteryx, which was something big, heavier, bulky. So this is my second and last one. And yeah, that's all I've got left of it. It is definitely going to be done by the next update. I didn't even bother weighing it because, you know, it doesn't really need to be weighed. You can see how much, and you can actually see my lines right here. So I am pretty well on like a consistent target for that one. I definitely think it's going to be done by the next update. Next one is the Pachycephalosaurus. I had to find where I was on here, and that is something that makes you want to bang your head against the wall. Potted lip products definitely do that for me. This one was gifted to me from a friend in Germany, and it's cute, it's adorable, but it's a lip balm that is potted, and it's just not my thing. I have melted some of it down. As you can see, it is deep. I don't know if I can get this done by the finale. I'm certainly going to try, but I have some of it in here. Like, I have used some of it already. This was much further down, and I have melted it in with a tinted lip balm that's way too pigmented, and the two of them together has made it like a very palatable kind of tinted lip balm. And yeah, I'm just going to keep doing that as this gets finished up, and it'll probably be done probably in the next week or two. I'm going to just take some more out of here, take some more of that bright red tinted lip balm that looks like a lipstick, like a really creamy lipstick, and I'm going to make like a true tinted lip balm out of them. If I get done, I get done. If I don't, I don't. It is what it is, and we'll just see how it goes by the finale. I will get that done by the end of the year. I'm like definitely focused on getting that out this year. Moving on to Spinosaurus, something liquid. I haven't even used it. It is the Ion Inspired by Nature Nourishing After Color. I haven't colored my hair, and yeah, I'm not going to use it if I don't need it. I mean, I could and waste it, but why? I'm not about that life. If I need it, I will use it. If I don't need it, I'm not going to use it. Stegosaurus, something slow going. I have the Vaseline Healthy Body Complexion Lotion. turned it this way. This was for when it was face up. Now that it's upside down, I am measuring over here. I did not use much in the last month because I am so dry that I have to use something that's thicker than this. It's just not enough for this time of year. So I use it like a little bit on my hands sometimes, but it is not a priority for me right now. I'm working on like my big, thick, heavy body butters and my lotion bars because those are amazing this time of year. I do think it's going to be done by the finale because when we get into like March and stuff like that, towards the end of March, I'll be able to like breeze through that. I am not worried that that's going to be here by the finale. I'm going to get her done. And the very last one is Velociraptor, something that surprised you. This is the Coastal Scents Winterveld, and I have slightly expanded the pan on that one. Nothing amazing, but it is definitely getting there. I really hope it's done by the finale. I really do, because as much as I like this, I really want to get some stuff used up and moved out. And it's pretty to play with. It is in my makeup basket for this month, so hopefully I will get some good usage on that. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Definitely go check out Taru. Everyone else that has joined in, they're all down there. And I think that's everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.